Do you like listening to Bible stories? The children here on the islands of the South Pacific love to listen to Bible stories. Lately, the stories have been even more interesting because the teachers have Bible story picture rolls with pictures to go along with the stories they share. A few years ago, children and their parents around the world helped collect a special offering that helped buy these picture rolls for the children's teachers. They use them all the time, and the children love them. The teachers love them too. But did you know that even though they love hearing the stories, most of these children don't own a Bible so they can read the stories for themselves? In some of the outer villages of the South Pacific, if you see 10 children, only one will have a Bible. When grown-ups have gone into some of these villages to help teach parents how to study the Bible with their children, they found out that the parents didn't have Bibles either. Not only is it important for the children to be able to read the stories for themselves, many of them will be able to read the Bible to their parents who have never learned to read. Many children in the more remote villages are the first in their families to go to school to learn to read and write. So next time you hear a Bible story or pick up your Bible, remember the children who are hearing and seeing the Bible stories in the South Pacific. Thank you for helping others learn about Jesus.